This is Adam Gaston-Smith, the Manager of Client Engagement at Peters & Associates, and we also have Bruce Ward, who is our VP of Business Strategy on the line.
That's me.
So today's topic is Microsoft 365 and subtitled the Matryoshka doll of enterprise software suites. You might also know those as Russian nesting dolls. And I think if you've got some familiarity with the suite already, you probably understand what I mean, but it is truly a suite of suites. So we'll go ahead and get into it right now. So as we mentioned before, this is what we consider a suite of suites. So what is Microsoft 365? Inside our Russian nesting doll, you have Office 365. There's two flavors of this. There's Microsoft 365 E3 and Microsoft 365 E5. If you've been dealing with the Microsoft Cloud licensing game for a little while in Office 365, you have some idea of what that means, but we'll talk a little bit more specifically about that.
And there's other flavors of 365 also. There's the E1 and K1 and other plans and individual items, but in general, the Microsoft 365 suite contains just Office 365 E3 or E5.
So let's go ahead and start in the Office 365 space. I think the vast majority of our customers do own Office 365 licensing, and that licensing is probably deployed to varying degrees. But just a high level for those who are somewhat new to it, Office 365 is built on email, it's the Office applications, and it's collaboration, and it's conferencing. There's so many elements that we could break these down into in terms of what's included and the types of features that should be turned on, that there really is a lot bundled here that's all wrapped into this licensing. Thank you all very much for joining. I know this was a lot of material all at once. We didn't get into a lot of specifics, but please, if you have further questions or you want to dive a bit deeper, please reach out to Bruce or I, and we'd be happy to help you out. Thank you very much for joining.